In this project, we are going to seal these stairs with Woodoc Deck Dressing, an oil-based exterior application for dense hardwood timber decking. Woodoc Deck Dressing provides excellent UV protection and water repellence. It is available in a clear and 3 tinted options. For these stairs, we have chosen the golden brown tint, which provides a rich, warm look. These stairs were previously treated and are quite badly weathered. So firstly, we need to use Woodoc Wood Reviver, which is a powerful wood cleaner that will revive weathered wood and is ideal for cleaning grey or blackened decks. First, we remove all metal or brass fittings, or protect them with a coat of petroleum jelly, clean grease or wax. Do not use any metal objects and avoid contact with hands or skin, so you need to make use of protective gloves and eyewear. To work properly, Wood Reviver solution needs to reach the wood fibers, so remove all previous wood surface coatings. Firstly, fill a container with warm tap water and pour in the crystals, stirring with a wooden spatula to dissolve and mix properly. Then work the solution into the wood with a scrubbing brush. Treat all of the wood to ensure an even appearance throughout, and then wash it down with plenty of clean water. Now allow the wood to dry thoroughly for 2 to 3 weeks. The next step is to sand the surface down to clean wood. So we begin with a coarse 80 grit sandpaper, always sanding with the grain. If you have an orbital or belt sander, this will get the job done far quicker. Then we use a fine 150 grit sandpaper to give a nice smooth finish to the surface. Next, remove all of the dust with a clean dry cloth and clean the surface properly by wiping it down with mineral turpentine and then letting the wood dry. Before we begin the application, stir the Woodoc Deck Dressing very well. This must also be done at intervals during application to keep the product properly mixed and ensure color consistency. Also, never shake or dilute the contents. Now, with a good quality brush, apply the first coat with smooth, even strokes, always working with the grain. The first coat should remain evenly glossy for at least 10 minutes after application, so apply additional product to any dull or dry areas. This ensures that the surface coat is the correct thickness. Also ensure that the end grain is well treated. The ends are usually very porous and will require more application to seal properly. Once the first coat is completely dry, then you need to apply 2 more coats in the same manner. No more sanding or cleaning needed. Simply apply the next coat. Note that coats may take up to 48 hours to dry, depending on the weather conditions. Always apply a minimum of 3 coats, as this ensures the durability of the product and the full protection of your Woodoc sealer. To maintain your stairs, it is recommended that you reapply a coat of deck dressing every 6 months. All you have to do is clean the wood with mineral terps, then let it dry and apply the maintenance coat. No more sanding needed, it's as simple as that. An incredible finish that will last for many years to come. We trust this video has been informative, and if you have any questions, you can always call the Woodoc toll-free helpline. Good luck with your project.